check.
Mic check.
We are here tonight.
While you are commuting.
While you are commuting.
Going about your day.
Going about your day.
Black people
Black people
still dying
are still dying
at the hands of the police.
at the hands of the police.
We will now read you some facts
We will now read you some facts
about Botham Jean,
about Botham Jean,
an innocent black man
an innocent black man
murdered in his own home
murdered in his own home
by these racist pigs.
by these racist pigs.
Fact one.
Fact one.
Botham Jean
Botham Jean
was a 26-year-old black man from St. Lucia,
was a 26-year-old black man from St. Lucia,
living in Dallas, Texas.
living in Dallas, Texas.
After St. Lucia was hit by Hurricane Thomas,
After St. Lucia was hit by Hurricane Thomas,
he organized to send clean drinking water to the island.
he organized to send clean drinking water to the island.
His mother said,
His mother said,
Botham loved mankind.
Botham loved mankind.
Fact two.
Fact two.
At 10 p.m. on September 6, 2018,
At 10 p.m. on September 6, 2018,
Botham was at home
Botham was at home
when off-duty Dallas police officer
when an off-duty Dallas police officer,
Amber Geiger
Amber Geiger,
entered his apartment.
entered his apartment.
Officer Geiger
Officer Geiger
then shot Botham
then shot Botham
with her service weapon,
with her service weapon,
killing him.
killing him.
Fact three.
Fact three.
Botham was the second person
Botham was the second
that
person
Officer Geiger shot with her service weapon.
that Officer Geiger shot with her service weapon.
In 2017,
In
she
2017,
shot a Latino man in the abdomen
she shot a Latino man in the abdomen
while on duty,
while on duty,
but she was not indicted.
but she was not indicted.
Fact four.
Fact four.
According to Dallas City Councilman Philip Kingston,
According to Dallas City Councilman Philip Kingston,
a judge refused to sign an arrest warrant for manslaughter
a judge refused to sign an arrest warrant for manslaughter
because the crime described by the evidence
because the crime described by the evidence
was murder.
was murder.
Dallas police refused to charge Officer Geiger with murder
Dallas police refused to charge Officer Geiger with murder
and instead passed the case to the Texas Rangers.
and instead passed the case to the Texas Rangers.
Fact five.
Fact five.
No warrant was issued for Officer Geiger's arrest
No warrant was issued for Officer Geiger's arrest
until 4 days after the shooting.
until 4 days after the shooting.
Officer Geiger made bail
Officer Geiger made bail
less than 2 hours
less than 2 hours
after being arrested for manslaughter.
after being arrested for manslaughter.
Officer Geiger has not been charged with murder
Officer Geiger has not been charged with murder
in the shooting of Botham Jean.
in the shooting of Botham Jean.
This is not an isolated incident.
This is not an isolated incident.
Right here in New York City,
Right here in New York City,
the NYPD
the NYPD
have killed over 300 people
have killed over 300 people
since the murder of Amadou Diallo.
since the murder of Amadou Diallo.
Over 80% of those they kill
Over 80% of those they kill
are black or brown,
are black or brown,
mostly unarmed,
mostly unarmed,
committing no crime.
and committing no crime.
Still,
Still,
there have been only 6 indictments,
there have been only 6 indictments,
resulting in 2 convictions,
resulting in 2 convictions,
giving a grand total
giving a grand total
of 0 jail time.
of 0 jail
The
time.
NYPD
The NYPD
and all police
and all police
murder black and brown people
murder black and brown people
with impunity.
with impunity.
Officer Amber Geiger
Officer Amber Geiger
has been seen
has been seen
in photos on her public Facebook
in photos on her public Facebook
posing with white supremacists.
posing with white supremacists.
This is a racist hate crime.
This is a racist hate crime.
This is a murder.
This is a murder.
All of these killings
All of these killings
are hate crimes.
are hate crimes.
All of these killings
All of these killings
are murders.
are murders.
If you believe
If you believe
that Botham's life matters,
that Botham's life matters,
if you believe
if you believe
that Black Lives Matter,
that Black Lives Matter,
then raise your fists
then raise your fist
in solidarity.
in solidarity.
Take a look around you
Take a look around
at
you
the people who do not have their fists up.
at the people who do not have their fists up.
What do they look like?
What do they look like?
Not the black people here.
Not the black people
Not
here.
the fucking black people here.
Not fucking black people here.
People here. It's the people who think they have nothing to lose.
It's the people who think they have nothing to lose.
All lives will matter.
When Black Lives Matter.
All lives matter.
When Black Lives Matter.
All lives matter.
When Black Lives Matter.